Hello viewers, in today's video I'm going to show you how to use Nano Banana Pro for free. So if you go Google AI Studio then and click for Nano Banana Pro, and then you can see link a paid API key to access Nano Banana Pro. That means you can't use Nano Banana Pro for free. But here is a trick to use Nano Banana Pro for free. Just simply open a new tab and search for Gemini and go to Google Gemini, and here you can see Nano Banana Pro is now on Gemini 3.0. Just click on try it, and after that here you can use Nano Banana Pro for free. But this is not unlimited. There have a restriction. You can create 3 to 5 images every day. At least you can create 3 to 5 images every day. So this is the way you can use Nano Banana Pro for free. So if the video seems helpful, just press the subscribe button and like the video. Thanks.